Alpesh, we were talking about how to value companies here a bit earlier. PJ has written and he says, how can you predict anything with old models when we've never been here before?
We've never been anywhere before, in one sense. Every situation is unique, but certainly you can't get away from the fact that there's earnings and prices and companies tend to be valued amongst a lot of things, but one of the key things which tends to hold up well across all market environments is a multiple of their earnings. And that tends to be a good broad brush approach to looking at whether or not the Dow, for instance, is overvalued. And it could easily trade at a slightly higher multiple than it is at the moment, and obviously, you know, smash up to 11,000 even.
Robert, you mentioned technology. Alpesh, we have another viewer question. A viewer writes in and says, is it okay to buy Research in Motion RIM at $66?
Yes, I don't think that is, I wouldn't necessarily say 100% that's the lowest it's been, but I was looking at this funnily enough just last night because they said they missed, exactly, 11% down yesterday because they said they are going to miss the analyst forecasts on sales. That doesn't really worry me. I think it becomes a buying opportunity when it's trading at a multiple of 14, and historically it's traded at a higher multiple than that. I think you're fine. I don't think the earnings figures are going to be too poorly impacted. The iPhone is not a competitor, despite what you read from some analysts thinking it's an either-or play. It's not. Most people will tend to have both. Yes, some companies are only giving BlackBerries now to their senior executives as opposed to all staff. Nevertheless, it's a big market out there which they've not even tapped yet, and it's the only serious business phone, you know, sorry Nokia and sorry the others, out there.
My bane of my existence is just make them talk to each other, you know. Just be able to sync your BlackBerry to your Mac. Please, come on, sort it out.
It'll happen.